Hi everyone, welcome to Roll Your Mat. This pose was a very challenging pose for me in the beginning of my yoga journey. And it's always missed from teaching step by step because usually it is included in sun salutation, which is a Surya Namaskar, or any vinyasa flow practices. So today I'm going to share about Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga is the foundation of many unbalances poses. Let's roll out your mat and have fun practicing. Before that, let us do some warm-up exercises together. Cat-cow on your own pace for 5 times. Roll left to right for 3 times. Roll right to left for 3 times. Shift your body forward and backward for 3 times. Hold at plank position for 10 seconds. Rotate your wrists left to right, right to left. Set up in plank position. Lower your knees to the mat. Inhale, exhale, shift your body forward, thinking of sending your body forward instead of downward. Shoulders over your wrists, hug your elbows in, stabilize your scapula. Imagine if there is some water in between your scapula. You want to remove them by protracting your shoulders. Shoulders away from ears. Lengthen your neck and look forward. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend your arms slightly, shoulders not lower than elbow. Inhale, push yourself up. You may go down lower, but go to the point that you still can push yourself up steadily, and shoulders not lower than elbow. Option 1. Wall-assisted Chaturanga with block. Put the block in between your inner thigh. Face the wall in standing position. Feet about 1 leg distance from the wall. Palms on the wall, align with your shoulder level. Shift them down about 1 palm distance so that your shoulders are over the wrist when bending your arm. This will be more stable for Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale, shift your heels upward. Shoulders are over your wrists, hug your elbows in. Shoulders away from your ears, stabilize your scapula. Lengthen your neck and look forward. Inhale and exhale. Bend your arms slightly, thinking of sending yourself up all the way from here to your back and to the crown of your head. Inhale, place your heels down to the mat. Practice 2 more times here to get familiar with the alignment. You can also try without a block and see how you feel. Option 2. Progress into full Chaturanga. Set up in all fours. Put the block in between your inner thigh. Lift your knees up to plank position. Inhale. Exhale, shift your heel forward, sending your energy forward all the way from your heel to your back and to the crown of your head. Shoulders over your wrists. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly bend your arms. Imagine clearing up all the water in between your scapula. Inhale, push yourself up to plank. Lower your knees to the mat to child pose. If you experience any wrist pain from Chaturanga, first check your alignment, or maybe you can avoid this pose and stay at forearm plank during Chaturanga. Both these two poses can actually achieve the similar core and arm strengthening purposes. Always listen to our body, be kind to ourselves, and allow ourselves to take time for practice. Don't forget to do some cool down poses like child pose and hands under the feet. Thank you yourself for the practice today. See you in the next video. Bye.